I will be playing Rachel.
I will be playing Mrs. Price.
I will be playing the big bully.
What is this? Put it on. No, it's your sweater. It smells like cottage cheese. I don't care. I don't want this stupid sweater. Pick it up and put it on. No. Yes. No. Put it on. No. Put it on. It's not even mine. Whatever. It's not mine. It's lunchtime. It's lunchtime.
That's a stupid sweater.
Stop making fun of me. He's making fun of me. Whatever.
Wait, that's mine.
It is?
Yeah.
You can take your stupid sweater and
Put it on.
Put it on.
Okay.
Put it on.
All right.
Put it on.
I'm gonna put it on.
Put it on.
Told you, Miss Price, that stupid sweater was not mine.
Whatever.